Finding the right grant makers can take time, especially when you're switching between search tools, spreadsheets, and notes. Wayfinder brings that process into one place, helping you discover, shortlist, and organize trust prospects faster. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to use Melody, our AI research assistant, to find potential funders and save them into a portfolio for ongoing research. Let's get started. When you first open Wayfinder, you can search in two ways. The traditional search is useful for quick, focused queries. But when you want to combine criteria more naturally, Melody is the faster route. In this example, we're asking Melody to find grant makers with an income of £1 million or more that support the arts. Let's give Melody a moment to analyze the request. Melody responds with its interpretation and asks us to confirm before running the query. Once confirmed, the results appear. The results first appear in the standard Melody view, but I am going to switch to Search and Explore here, simply because it gives us a larger workspace. The underlying results are exactly the same. To do that, just select the View Results in Standard Search button at the bottom of the Return Results. Now we can start building a shortlist. For this walkthrough, I'm selecting 4 trusts, but you can add individual results, choose a range, or select everything returned by the search. Once selected, we can add them to the basket. From here, we can either add these charities to an existing portfolio or create a new one. I'm creating a new portfolio now and giving it a name. Each portfolio is private to the individual user, so in a multi-user organization, everyone has their own separate research space. As you can see here, I've already created several portfolio lists, and I can easily switch between them or view key metrics from the dashboard. But for now, let's go back to the new portfolio we've just created. And there we are. Our 4 trusts have been saved, and we can now move into portfolio-based research. Let's open one of these in more detail. Each charity has its own detailed page with a wide range of information to support your research, from core details such as income and classification, through to benchmarking against similar organizations. Wayfinder can also connect directly to the charity's website, so from within the record, we can quickly move to the official source whenever needed. We can also connect directly to the Charity Commission record, helping us verify the provenance of the data we found within Wayfinder, which is important in building trust in the platform. We can also start adding our own research context. Here, I'm adding a short note as a reminder to review priorities and make contact ahead of any application. This editor lets us capture research as we go, with entry types for notes, emails, calls, meetings, applications, decisions, and more, helping keep activity in one place. Because notes are saved at portfolio level, the same charity can carry different research context in different portfolios. In our team's version, shared portfolios let multiple people contribute and build a clear timeline of progress. Let's take a moment to add the note, title, and save the entry. And because this is a trust I've worked with successfully before, I'm marking it with a 5-star rating to reflect that strength of fit. That's a quick look at how to move from a Melody search to a saved and annotated trust prospect list in Wayfinder. In just a few minutes, we've gone from a plain English query to a curated portfolio ready for further qualification and follow-up. We'll cover deeper portfolio research and management in another tutorial, but this should give you a strong starting point for building focused funding prospect lists with Wayfinder. Thanks for watching.